Here's a riddle. What do a bird, a train, a person, and a business all have in common? All four of them can take off. Actually, there are 6 different ways that we use the phrasal verb take off. Let's study together. Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English, and I'm back with another phrasal verb English lesson. Today, we're going to take a look at 6 different ways that we use the phrasal verb take off. Oh my God, another vocabulary lesson! Look, I know from firsthand experience that remembering vocabulary is not easy. It's easy to learn, but not so easy to remember. That's because magic tricks and secrets will not help you learn vocabulary. You need hard work and a good system. That's why I've created my free phrasal verb and vocabulary workshop, and I would love for you to watch it. In that workshop, I'm going to teach you my system for learning and actually remembering vocabulary. Isn't that the goal? This is the system that I use to build up my vocabulary in Japanese, and I'm sure that it's going to help you build up your English vocabulary. Plus, when you sign up, you'll also get a PDF download called Learn 50 Phrasal Verbs. All you need to do is visit myhappyenglish.com/workshop. I'll put a link in the description below too. Again, it's totally free, and I'm sure you're going to get a lot out of it. And now, let's take a look at take off. First of all, you can say that something takes off, and this means to begin flying. My flight took off late, but somehow we arrived on time. When I went to the park yesterday, there was a flock of geese on the pond, and they all took off together. We also say that something or someone takes off, which means to depart or to leave. It's getting late. I'm going to take off as soon as I finish this report. The train took off at noon and arrived in Washington, D.C. at around 4 p.m. We can also say that something like a business or a product takes off. And this means to become popular or to become successful. Michael said that he hopes his YouTube channel takes off soon. Yes, he said that, didn't he? Social networks like TikTok have really taken off. Take off also means to remove your clothes. Please take off your shoes when you enter the house. As soon as I got home last night, I took off my suit and put on a pair of sweatpants. Take off also means to reduce the price of something. If I buy 10 of these pens, how much can you take off? I bought a new TV, and since it was the display model, the salesperson took off 20%. And finally, a person can take off, and this means to be away from work or away from school. Since I have to work on Sunday, I'm going to take Monday off. My sister took 3 weeks off when she went to Italy last summer. Well, I think it's time for me to take off. Why not take 1 or 2 of these meanings of take off and write your own example sentence in the comments below? It's good practice. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comment below, and I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.